this is gonna be part 1. Got the setup we got going on right here. We got all my tools and everything that I'm gonna need for working on it all right here. I also use some of those for work as well. Then we got my bike right here, good old KTM SX 85, little 2-stroke. Bike rips though. Okay, so I think now I'm gonna take off this handguard right here, this one too, so because they're both kind of there you go. First bolt off right on the seat. Alright, so this is the setup we got going right here. This is the clutch cover. We just need to take that gasket off as well. Once we take this clutch cover off, there's 5 screws right here that we also have to undo. Alright, so we got that cover. Drained the oil last summer. There's all my nuts and screws. So all my screws right there. We have a little bit of oil dripping, but it's been caught by that.